to our channel. This is
Tulong Rayo!
Maribus Duck here, mga gwapz, and welcome 2019. Happy New Year to all!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Yes, mga gwapz, this will be our first ever video for the year 2019. Matagal po kami nang wala, so nagpahinga po konti. And yes, by the way, mga gwapz, as you can see, we have here 3 piggy banks. And of course, DIY po namin to. And this is one way that we can save our Mother Earth. Yeah, save the environment as well. So we make our own piggy bank since the year 2019 is year of the pig. So we have it here, 3 styles. So your own piggy bank, your own style, right, mga box? And also teach our little kids to save money as well habang bata pa. So napaka-importante po yun. And this will be an Ipon challenge 2019 for all of us. So please do something out of your plastic bottle bags. You can do your own piggy banks. Please save or recycle. And of course, before we proceed to the video, thank you so much for those people who actually visited me. I'll get back to you, mga gwapz. Nagpahinga lang po ako konti. And yeah, hope you like what we did for this video. And yes, mga gwapz, let's head on out to the video.